Hello, 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 hello. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry. Getting weird. This is like my 4th or 5th video I've done in the past hour, and things start to get weird. Sorry. Let's look at this. So now we've gone through multiplying, dividing, simplifying, adding and subtracting with a common denominator. So now we're going to do it without a common denominator. Yep. So let's use this cool little chalkboard again. I love the chalkboard. Okay, now we're going back to 3rd or 4th grade again. You guys are all very small and I'm actually taller than you. This is fun. Okay, so let's add some fractions. All right, so say you have 1/2 plus 1/3. Oh no, I'm sure we're gonna panic, right? Because they don't have the same denominator and we can't add them across the top. But it's okay. We have the tools in our toolbox to do this. Sorry. All right. So we have to get a common denominator here. Whoa, that doesn't pop up very well. Let's use like blue. Common, that's better, denominator. So I have to see, what do 2 and 3 both go into? Well, they both go into 6. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the 3 and I'm going to multiply it to top and bottom of the first fraction. I'm going to take the 2 and multiply it to top and bottom of the second fraction. So you get 3 over 6 equals 2 over 6, not equals, take it back, I take it back, plus 2 over 6. Now we have a common denominator and we can breathe. This is amazing. 2 plus 3 is 5. The bottom stays the same. Also, there's no need to panic. It is going to be okay. Okay? We don't need to panic. No panics in this classroom. Okay? Let's do another. Let's see. We're still in 3rd grade. Let's use yellow. I think yellow will pop up on here. So say you have 1/5 plus, I don't know, 3/4. Yeah, that's good. We need to figure out what 5 and 4 both go into so that we can get a common denominator. Well, let's see. Let's use this pretty green. I'm going to multiply this by 4. No. What happened? Okay, all right, yeah, there we go. I'm going to multiply, oh my gosh, what is happening? I'm going to multiply this by 4 to top and bottom. I'm going to multiply this by 5 to top and bottom. So I'm just taking this, multiplying it over here. This, multiplying it over there. It's kind of like a smiley face, because we're happy. So 4 times 1 is 4 over 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20. Sorry, that was an ugly 2 and a 0. 4 plus 15 is 19 over 20. Okay, no panics, we got this. Let's go into what we're doing now. Let's go back to junior year at Corner Canyon High School with the best teacher in the world. It's me. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we have 4 over n minus 2 minus 5 over n plus 3. Remember what I said about the subtraction sign. Distribute the subtraction sign. Okay, I'm very adamant about you distributing this subtraction sign. So that's 4 over n minus 2 plus negative 5 over n plus 3. Now we have different denominators here, just like we did when we were adding 1/2 and 1/3. So I am going to take the n plus 3, those are a lot of words, you can read them, but I'm going to take the n plus 3, I'm going to multiply it to the first fraction. I'm going to take the n minus 2, and I'm going to multiply it to the second fraction, to top and bottom. Now I'm going to distribute that 4 and distribute that negative 5. So I'm going to get 4n plus 12 over n plus 3n minus 2. And negative 5n plus 10 over n plus 3n minus 2. We have a common denominator, so I'm just going to write it all as one fraction, and you get negative n plus 22 over n plus 3, n minus 2. Cool? Let's do this one. No subtraction sign, so I don't need to freak out about it. I'm going to multiply the n minus 5 to the first fraction, n plus 2, or n minus 2 to the second. So you get 5n squared minus 25n over n minus 5n minus 2 plus 3n minus 6 over n minus 5n minus 2. Combine that, and you get 5n squared minus 22n minus